What's up, guys? Today taking a look at a little project for Mailbox. So if you don't want to dig a hole and go through the hassle of setting the post and putting a brace here and then front to back to make sure it's plumb both ways, what I did was I took a piece of 1x6 pressure treated lumber and then I screwed two pieces together with some drywall screws. And this is for those mailboxes that are the PVC sleeves that go over it. They look like a 4x4, but they're actually a 3.5 by 3.5. And I ripped this 1x6 down to 3 1/4 inch. And like I said, I put two of them together just with, some drywall screws. So I have one there, and then in the bottom. And then with this 5-gallon bucket, I drilled an 1/8 hole here, and here. Put it on a fairly level surface, and it doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to slope the ground and you'll plumb it left to right, front to back. And then I secured it with some drywall screws there to the bucket. Then I mixed some quick set concrete, put it in there, filled it about a little better than 5/8 of the way up, almost 3/4. And next I'm going to dig a hole in the ground, set the bucket in the ground, and what I did was I measured ground level, and from here to here, right here is 11 1/8 inch tall. So when the sleeve fits over, the two screws in the back will go in here, two screws will go here, and then on the other side you'll have two screws that anchors it. This part will go next to the porch, and it will be flush. And again, with the bucket it's just a lot easier, and you just put it in the ground, put the dirt around it, put dirt inside of it, you can plant grass over it, and if it rots, dig it up, pull it out, get another bucket, and you're ready to go. You don't have to be fucking around with rusty metal or special 2x4s or whatever.